Casa Malca is located on an unspoiled beach in Tulum, on the edge of the Shan Khan Biosphere Reserve. It offers a bar-restaurant, tropical gardens and stylish accommodations with air conditioning. Each room and suite at Casa Malca is decorated in elegant white and has views of the gardens or the Caribbean Sea. The private bathrooms come with free toiletries and towels. Tulum town and the beautiful Mayan ruins of Tulum are both around 6.2 miles from the property, while Cancun International Airport is 78 miles away. Free parking is available on site. Don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to the channel.